have already studied about Thayer's theorem and converse of Thayer's theorem. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. So today we are going to do from exercise 6.2, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 questions. So the first question is, in the given figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. We need to show BC is parallel to QR. So they have given AB is parallel to PQ. So find out the triangle in which AB is parallel to PQ. We can see that it is in this triangle POQ. So in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ. So I can write by Thayer's theorem, if a straight line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So I can write AP divided by AO is equal to QB divided by BO. The same way, use the next condition they have given. AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR is for the triangle POR. So by Thayer's theorem again I can write AP divided by AO is equal to RC divided by CO. Now you can see that if you give this equation number 1 and 2, the left side is equal, therefore the right side will be also equal. So I can equate the right side. Now by converse of Thayer's theorem, if the sides of the triangles are proportional, then we can say that the line is parallel to the third side. So I can say BC is parallel to QR by converse of Thayer's theorem. We can say that by converse of Thayer's theorem or basic proportionality theorem, BC is parallel to QR. Now next question, using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn to midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to another side bisects the third side. So in data part they have given, you can take ABC is a triangle and in that triangle they have given that one side is parallel to another side. So DE is parallel to BC. This is the first thing they have given. Also they have given a line is drawn to the midpoint of one side of the triangle. So you can take, they have given D is the midpoint of AB. If D is the midpoint of AB, I can write AD equal to DB. Now what we need to prove is, we need to prove that it bisects the other side. It bisects the other side means we need to prove AE equal to EC. So since they have given DE is parallel to BC, by Thayer's theorem, I can write AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC. Now these two are equal. AD is equal to DB. So this side will become 1. 1 is equal to AE divided by EC. So if you cross multiply, we'll have AE equal to EC, which is the thing we need to prove. So from this I can say that is the midpoint of AC or it bisects the third side. Bisects means divide into two equal parts. So next, using converse of basic proportionality theorem, we need to prove that line joining midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So here in the data part they have given the line is joining midpoint of two sides of the triangle. So I can write D, they have given D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. Then I can write AD equal to DB. Again E is the midpoint of AC. So I can write AE equal to EC. Now we need to prove that, what we need to prove, DE is parallel to BC. We need to prove DE is parallel to BC because prove that line joining midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So DE is the line which is joining the midpoint. We need to prove DE is parallel to BC. In 9th standard already has studied this proof, midpoint theorem proof, but here they have asked using converse of basic proportionality theorem we need to prove this. Now from this AD equal to DB, I can write AD divided by DB equal to 1 because both are equal. Again from this equation AE divided by EC I can write as 1 because both are equal. Give this equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 the right side is equal, so left side will be also equal. AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem I can write that if the sides of the triangle are in proportion, then I can write that DE is parallel to DC. So I have used the midpoint thing. D is the midpoint of AB, that means AD equal to DB. Then I divided, equate, we will get the answer. By using converse of basic proportionality theorem I can write DE is parallel to BC. So next question, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Diagonals intersect each other at O. We need to show AO divided by BO equal to CO divided by DO. So they have given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. So this they have given, and we need to prove AO divided by BO equal to CO divided by DO. So we are going to prove this by basic proportionality theorem. So this can be proved in different ways. So here we are going to prove by basic proportionality theorem. So for that I need to do one construction. I need to draw EO parallel to DC. So EO I am going to draw parallel to DC. So this is my construction. So just now I got EO, I have done EO parallel to DC. Now AB is parallel to DC, EO is also parallel to DC, that means I can write EO is parallel to AB. Two lines are parallel to the same line, then that line will be parallel to each other. So EO is parallel to AB I can write. Now I am going to take these two conditions. First EO is parallel to DC I am going to take. So the EO is parallel to DC. For the triangle, that triangle we have to find out. EO is parallel to DC in triangle ADC. Then by basic proportionality theorem, I can write the ratio AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by OC. In the same way, EO is parallel to AB. That line is parallel to AB. For the triangle ABD, again I can write the relation AE divided by ED is equal to BO divided by OD. BO divided by OD. So give this equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So this, since EO is parallel to DC, by Thay's theorem I can write that a straight line drawn parallel to a side of triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Now I can equate, you can see that left side is equal, therefore I can equate the right side. AO divided by OC equal to BO divided by OD. Can just cross multiply this, so we'll get in the same format as given in the question. So AO divided by BO equal to CO divided by DO. So we have proved this using basic proportionality theorem. So therefore that we have to construct like this: EO parallel to DC, and since AB is parallel to DC, I can write EO is parallel to AB. So the diagonals of the quadrilateral intersect each other at the point O, such that they have given this condition. We need to prove that, show that ABCD is a trapezium. This is actually the converse of the previous question. In the previous question they have given that ABCD is a trapezium and we need to prove this condition. Now here they have given this condition, we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. To prove that ABCD is a trapezium, we know that a quadrilateral in which one side is parallel, that is called as trapezium. So to show that ABCD is a trapezium, I need to prove AB is parallel to DC. So this is the thing I need to show. So this is the given thing. Now again I am going to do the same construction. So I am going to draw OE which is parallel to AB. OE I am drawing, or EO I am drawing parallel to AB. So, and also if you take in triangle, so OE or EO is parallel to AB, in which triangle we have to take the triangle ABC. So in ABC, if EO is parallel to AB, then by Thay's theorem I can write AO divided by OC is equal to BE divided by EC. In the same way, I can write AO divided by OC equal to BE divided by EC. Already they have given in the question AO divided by BO, AO divided by BO, they have given like this, AO divided by BO equal to CO divided by DO. So this I can just cross multiply. AO divided by OC is equal to BO divided by DO. Now if you see this equation, if you give this equation as 1 and this equation as 2, we can see that left side of these two equations are equal. Therefore, the right side will be also equal. So I can write as BE divided by EC is equal to BO divided by DO. That means BE, we have to find out BE divided by EC and BO divided by DO. So by converse of Thay's theorem, I can write that OE is parallel to DC. OE is parallel to DC. So already we have got OE is parallel to DC, and we have, by construction we have taken like this. That means OE is parallel both to AB as well as DC, which means AB is parallel to DC. This is what we need to prove. So we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. So trapezium means it is a quadrilateral in which one pair of side will be parallel. So we need to show that ABCD is a trapezium, we need to show AB is parallel to DC. For that we have done the construction like this. OE is parallel to AB. So by Thay's theorem I can write AO divided by OC equal to BE divided by EC. Again they have given in the, we have to use this data also. So I have used that data. Left side is equal, therefore the right side will be also equal. That means BE divided by EC equal to BO divided by DO. That means this line, by converse of Thay's theorem, if the sides are proportional, then that line will be parallel to third side. So OE is parallel to DC. So just EO is parallel to AB by construction we have taken. Again just now we got EO is parallel to DC. That means AB is parallel to DC. Thank you for watching my video.